Yes, hello guys, we'll be back into OSP Pro IT Digital Solution. Now, this is OSP Pro and has accompanied with OSP IT Digital Solutions, which is be providing short courses and internship program in Kampala, Uganda. So if you guys are interested for short courses and internship programs, website hosting, and anything concerning consultancy or things like that, please just make sure you hit up, you call us and email us. We shall give you the link down below, and then you can follow up. Now, also you guys from who are within Facebook who would like to follow us up, also you can get up our Facebook URL or Facebook, and then we get to be in touch. So I'm going to give you all the entire link, and then you guys make sure you will be part of us. Now, another thing that I have to talk about is that I know if it all is your first time to watch this video with me, or your first time to be with my channel, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like the channel. Share to your friends, please. Thank you. Now, let us just start at the moment and I tell you what we are going to be covering. At the moment in this video, we are going to look at how can we I'm going to just show you a complete project that I happen to make on a complete admission management system. This system is made up of approximately 7 to 8 programming languages and some kind of bit of development. Now, I'll just take it up into my program, we'll go into the system. Just going to check OSP IT Digital Solution. Now, this is my first time to show up this video, but I'm just giving it outside for all of you guys who might be interested in making up a system like this. Then make sure please just subscribe to our channel, and then you get a chance to be in a position to come up with the one. So if this is your first time, please make sure you like this channel. Now, like you can see this video, okay, this channel, if this is just say this is not the right email address, maybe username, something like that, and maybe this one is not the right password, like that. So if you try to cross check, this is it. If you hit here, I think you can see say wrong username and password combination, and then it just goes off, and then it disappears off and goes back to normal. And when it goes back to normal, the username which is added by the given user does not go off. So if you come back here, give the right one, OSP maybe, and that. This is just for testing up the system, but the system is already working somewhere else. So if you come up here and try to hit here, I think you can see the page is loading, and I think you can see it's telling us please wait, successful login. So otherwise going to log us in, which now we are so far inside the given system. Now if you look into the system, we have all the panel like that, and we also have the smartphone view. That implies we can use the phone in the system in an emulator. We can use the system in emulator and generate something relative to this. So if you check at the moment, this is what we have, whereby you can also go take this back, you can bring it back again, or something like that. So if you check in here we can add a new student, add a system user. You click add system user. Wow, sorry, add system user not added here. But if I add a new student, this definitely will ask us to add a short course student. So when I click add short course, this is it. So we have all this panel up to be filled up, and if at all what happened to fill up is successful into the system, if all what happened is successful, remember every error is handled. I handled every error. So if you fill the field successful, it will add that given student into view students. So when you go to view students, you still go for either short course or internship program. So when you click there, then definitely it will list for you the student maybe we should have in the system, something like that. I give assumption if you take this one, you can print up this will be for editing, but if you would like to come and print up just the given student details, and then you just print up the details like that. And then if you come back in here, we can also go and print the ID of a given student. So when you click there to print the ID, I think you can see the ID of that given student is now printed out, just like that. The printed given ID of a student is printed out. And if you check also here, is that we have also this part of the system where you can print the admissions. When I click there, I think you can see that given student admission is really given out, and the details of that given student is said to be out. So if that's the case, you'll find that the system will be having all those stuffs, something like that, and then it prints for us a PDF kind of information or whatever format you may change from this side, and then you give out the right way how you want your stuff to be generated out of. So at the moment, that's what I will simply talk about this system at the moment, so that you guys, when you're interested in such kind of system, please make sure you hit us up. Then you can also just come in here and say maybe admission. Let's pay admission. No, it's very early in the morning here. Yeah, great. So say maybe admission. Fine. If I click admission, short course, I just enter the student's name, the number. If the student's number is 12, I just hit that enter, and then the system generates from the admission number. I think you can see it is 12. So this is how the system works. Please, members, if any of you guys interested in this kind of complete admission ID system using PHP, MySQL, jQuery, Ajax, and then talk of W3 CSS, Bootstrap, and then this real CSS, HTML, PHP with the MySQL, then guys, it's the right time, guys, you try to hit me up. So any of you interested for the source code, I'm going to put it in my website. You guys, I'm going to give you the links below. Make sure please you go to my website and then try to hit me up, and then you get the codes, if the source codes you may need to use. Then for any of you guys who have never subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe so that you get chance to learn with OSP Digital Solutions. Then for any of you guys who are interested in having leading system, finding projects and places for internship, please, OSP Digital Solutions is hands-on. I mean hands-on. You come in and then learn hands-on program. You can learn this, how to make this system with me physically in my class. So make sure please come in, and make sure you come in and then make sure you study. So guys, may God bless you. I wish you a nice time. Hope we meet next time on the next coming video, which is going to be for Python. So guys, machine learning, don't be quiet. So guys, make sure you be in class, make sure we study. Thank you guys. May God bless you. Love you all.